Ever wish math homework was just a bit quicker? Here are some hacks to help you out. First up, multiplying by 9. Hold up your 10 fingers. To multiply 9 by, say, 7, fold down your 7th finger. You'll have 6 fingers on the left, 3 on the right. That's 63. Seriously, try it out. Next, doubling and halving. If you're stuck with something like 16 times 25, halve one number, double the other. 16 becomes 8, 25 becomes 50. Still 8 times 50? Way easier, right? Answer's still 400. Here's a cool one for multiplying by 11. Take any 2-digit number, like 32. Add the digits. 3 plus 2 is 5. Slide that in the middle. 352. So 32 times 11 is 352. Works every time, unless the sum is more than 9. Then just carry over. Last tip, squaring numbers ending in 5. Take 35 squared. Multiply 3 by 4. That's 1 more than 3. You get 12. Stick 25 at the end. Boom! 1,225. Now you've got 4 tricks up your sleeve to crush your next math challenge. Practice these, and you'll be the math whiz of your class in no time. Hit like if you learned something new, and drop your fastest calculation in the comments.